Good morning, sir. I have made a simple tank overflow alarm. The water alarm circuit is a simple device which will help us to identify the amount of the water in our overhead tanks as well as in other containers. Nowadays, every householders and owners are storing water in their overhead tanks by using pumps. When the tank is filled up, no one can identify the level of the water, hence there is an overflow of water. Thus, there is a wastage of water and energy. To resolve this problem, I have made a simple water tank overflow alarm. This is the pump pumping water. Now you can see the water is not reached to the brim. As I am pouring water, there is a connection between the two circuits.